Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello all, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is the special session related to the previous year question discussion in which we are going to see about the economic topics question. Let's begin the question session. It is the question related to the devaluation of the currency. Okay, first of all you have to know that what is devaluation. Okay, that is more important. Devaluation is a deliberate move. Okay, devaluation of rupee is a deliberately lowering the value of the Indian currency in relation to the foreign currency. Okay, let's go with the examples. Consider that the normal exchange rate is $1 is equal to 50 rupees. Okay, consider it is a exchange rate of India. Okay, which means with 50 rupees you can buy $1. Okay, this is the normal exchange rate. Okay, then the government of India, with the idea of making it devaluating, the government of India is making us $1 is equal to 100 rupees. Okay, which means earlier with just 50 rupees you can buy $1. Okay, now you need 100 rupees to buy $1. Okay, so it is actually the value of the currency. Okay, value of the Indian rupee is reduced. Okay, so only you have to give more currency to buy certain product. Okay, that is called as devaluation. Okay, don't think that 50 is becoming 100, how it is called as devaluation. No, actually earlier with just consider with another example. Earlier you are buying a 1 kg of apple for 20 rupees. Okay, now you are buying 1 kg of apple with 100 rupees, means that is called as devaluation. Okay, so the value, okay, the value of the rupee is actually reduced. Okay, earlier with just 100 rupees you can able to buy 1 kg of apple. Now you can't buy 1 kg of apple with 20 rupees. Okay, so that is called as devaluation. Okay, so this is actually called as devaluation. Okay, why government of India is doing that? Why all other countries doing the devaluation of currency, their own currency? Why they are want to reduce their value? Okay, that is the next question. Okay, consider the US market and India market. Okay, in US consider the example of burger. Okay, it's $1. The price of a burger is $1, and in India it is actually 50 rupees, and the exchange rate is $1 is equal to 50 rupees. Okay, so with this 50 rupees I can buy a burger in India, and also with this 50 rupees I exchange it to $1, and also I can buy the same burger with the same $1. Okay, so the exchange rate is same plus 50 rupees. So I can either consume the product in India or else I can consume the product from the US. Okay, this is called as purchasing power parity. So the purchasing power are in parity. Okay, so in such a scenario there won't be any export of product from India, because what the US person will do, what the US person will think is, with this $1 I can consume a product in India, and with the same $1 I am going to consume same level of quantity, same quantity of burger from the India. Okay, then why I have to buy from India? Okay, so such a way there won't be any export of a product from India. Okay, so this is the normal scenario. Consider that the government of India is doing a devaluation and they are making $1 is equal to 100 rupees. Okay, here the price of one burger is $1, and in India the price is actually 50 rupees. Okay, but the exchange rate is actually changed as $1 is equal to 100 rupees. Okay, so in such a scenario in US the US citizen will buy only one burger for his $1. Okay, but if he exchanges $1 as 100 rupees, means okay, with this 100 rupees he can buy 2 burger from India. Okay, so by changing the exchange rate, the government of India can export this burger to US. Okay, they can export this burger to US. Okay, so such a way, by just devaluating of the currency, they can increases the export. Okay, so that will increase. Actually, why all the government is doing the devaluation is to increase their export. Okay, for that only they will do the devaluation again and again. Okay, so what the US citizen will think that with this $1, if I'm going to consume a burger from US, means I can consume only one burger, but after exchange it to with Indian currency, means I can consume two burger for same $1. So I will go for importing the burger from India. So such a way, India can export a burger to US. Okay, so such a way the export will increase. Okay, for that only they will do the devaluation of the currency. Okay, so with this knowledge you can answer this question. Consider the following statement: the effect of devaluation of the currency is necessary. Okay, first go with the second statement. What is devaluation is actually? Here the statement is saying that increasing the foreign value of domestic currency. No, it is actually decreasing the foreign value of the domestic currency. That is what is called as devaluation. The second statement is actually speaking as a revaluation. Okay, devaluation, this is revaluation. Okay, so the revaluation means nothing but if it is $1 is equal to 50 rupees, means the government of India will do as $1 is equal to 10 rupees. So with 50 rupees I can buy $5. Okay, so that is called as revaluation. Actually the second statement is speaking about the revaluation, but the question is all about the devaluation. So eliminate the second statement. That statement itself, the definition itself wrong. Okay, so if you are going to eliminate the second statement, means you can easily eliminate B and D. Okay, then go for the next statement. First statement: improve the competitiveness of the domestic export in the foreign market. Obviously devaluation will increases the export of the goods. Okay, so that is the first statement is purely a correct one. Okay, so the answer is, there is you eliminated already B and D, so the answer is A. Okay, but you have to check the third statement. Okay, improve the trade balance. There comes the trap. Actually, if you are going to export a product, okay, so if you are going to export the product, means that will actually improve the trade balance. Okay, so you are going for a, you are doing a devaluation. Okay, so that devaluation will helps you to export the product. That will create a demand for the product. Okay, so by that that will improve the trade balance. Okay, but the concern is, consider that even though you did the devaluation, the people of US is not ready to buy a burger meals. What if they don't have any eagerness to buy or consume a burger? What if they are more eager to buy a pizza? Okay, in such a scenario they won't buy a burger, even though with the same $1 there is a possibility to buy 3 to 4 burgers from India. Okay, but still if they don't have any eagerness to buy the burger, means there won't be improve in any trade balance. Okay, so even though if you are doing the trade, even though if you are doing a devaluation, if there is only demand for the certain product from India, then only that will improve the export of from the India. Okay, so by that only that will improve the trade balance of India. If there is no demand for certain product from India, even though you did any devaluation, there won't be improve in the trade balance for India. Okay, what I am saying is, only if there is a demand from the US, okay, only if there is a demand from the US for consuming a burger, and if there is a devaluation, they will buy a burger from India. If there is no demand for the burger, means they won't buy any burger from India. Even though the $1 will able to buy you the 4 to 5 burger for the US citizen, they won't buy. Okay, so that the devaluation not necessarily create or improve the trade balance. Okay, the question is all about the effects of devaluation of the currency is that it necessarily, but the thing is it won't necessarily improve the trade balance. Okay, because if there is no demand for certain product from India means, even though if you bid with any devaluation of the currency, that won't improve the export of from the India. Okay, so by that the statement 3 is becoming wrong. Okay, so the answer is 1 only. Okay, thank you.